My wife, she likes to travel. To keep her near me, my lovely wife, that's why I built the aeroplane for her, so she feel herself always in the plane. You know, I'm in construction. So 1999 I start this building. Up to now I'm doing some work in the house. I never complete fully. So many press people, so many people, they ask me why I build the house in Nigeria. I didn't build it in my country. I said this is my country. I don't have any other country apart from Nigeria. I'm very, very proud. But some Nigeria, they don't know the value of Nigeria.
This one no be just aeroplane house for us. This one our home. In that for just I grew up and there they born me. So those days I no reach 12 years when my father started to build this thing. So anytime we come from school from Jos, we will come here, we go to dig, use shovel, use digger, plant trees, all these trees where you see for our back, you know. And then those days, now only one room in get for downstairs. So if we come, we all stay there. And slowly done a bit, and this year we reach 20 years where my father they built this house, and still never finish. Hey, my mama no want come do interview because she know they like camera too much. So now they do all those media stuff for them, but Popsy no mind. I grew up with my father doing construction, and me too. You know, we're in the construction business together. For my father, it was something that he wanted to just leave a legacy behind, both in Nigeria and internationally, because he wanted to do something that everybody would say, who built that house?
You know, my story is not just love story. I built everything for my legacy in Nigeria, for my country, for my children, for my wife, for everybody. My building in Abuja here, he gave good name to Abuja for tourism, for everything in Abuja.